How to fix Instagram request problem. Hello guys, in this video or this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram request problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this and then go to the apps right here. As you can see, between all the settings, click on apps and then go to the apps again right here. Now it will start loading. As you can see, just scroll down like this until you find Instagram. When you find it, now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on Instagram like this, and after that all what you have to do now is just click on the force stop option. Now after you click on the force stop, go to the notifications management and enable it. Enable all the notifications. After that, go back and click on the storage. Now here click on this option, it's called clear data, and then go back and restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.